we have reached Jeonju. Hi guys, we finally reached Jeonju and we are going to attend the festival in some time. And this is the place. It's a very popular place here where there's like art interpretations and plays and performances, and we are going to catch the opening ceremony here. It was like 2.5 hours trip from Seoul to Jeonju, but we have finally reached and I'm so excited. Hi guys, so finally the first day is over and I had a great day. It was a very long day, but it was so fun. I took a train to Iksan and then we took a bus to Jeonju, and then I attended the festival. It was the opening ceremony. It was great, and now we reached this amazing hotel which is very Korean like. All the K-drama fans out there, they would know that it's very similar to some of the dramas that we watch, and this is called a royal room, so it's pretty cool because it's a suite but it's in the form of, you know, the traditional Korean houses. It's Hanguk style. So I'm going to show you the room real quick. As we know, even in like traditional Korean houses, traditional Indian houses, we remove our shoes. Okay, the light's gone. It's because it's sensor activated. Yes, this is the door. This is the room. Look at this detailing, it's so cute. It's very traditional. These are our suitcases. This is a reality show that I was watching right now. It's pretty cool. And this is the room. This is so cool because this is one of the traditional Korean style, you know, things which are very like Korean related and very traditional. And this is the first bed, this is the second. You'll see some Korean books here. Wish I could read them. This is an artwork. This is me. This is the bathtub. And I wanted to show you guys the view outside, but I think it's pretty dark right now. I don't think you can see anything. Let's see. Oh no, it's pretty dark. Wish I could show you, but I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. So yeah, that was the room tour. It's so amazing, but my favorite part of the room is this because of the design. It's so pretty. I have a jewelry box which has this Korean style on it. It's so beautiful and it's one of my favorite jewelry boxes. And yeah, it's so nice and so pretty. Now I am going to, you know, get freshened up, change into my pajamas and maybe order some food because I'm a little hungry, and watch this super cool reality show which has these amazing dancers performing. Just look at them. Yes, wow, so cool. Okay, I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow because tomorrow is a long day we have, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna wear hanbok. So stay tuned in the video to see me in a traditional Korean outfit, which is a hanbok.
예뻐요. 아저씨가 시그니처. 예뻐요. 예뻐요. 네네. 테이블 몇 개지 우리가? 그냥 요 카테고리만 해물파전 5개 주세요. 네네네.
Hi guys, so I am in a hanbok and I'm having such a good time. We have explored more and more places in Jeonju, and I'm in this cafe. I tried these Korean sweets. I'm having coffee, which we love.
우리 지금 한 30분 정도
And yeah, I'm loving everything.
30분 정도 자유 시간이 있어서
Everything I'm feeling so good because it's so Korean and it's so traditional. I'm loving the vibe here. It's so cool. I used to see like K-dramas where people would come to these places and wear hanboks, and I'm here doing all of this. It's such a dream come true. So we are now at dinner and you have to see the table. It's just so big and there's so much food. I'm so excited for dinner because we have had a long day. We made our own fans. This is Janet. Janet, say hi.
Hi.
What's up? What did we do for an hour?
We made fans for an hour.
And we killed it.
We did.
I think we made the most unique one.
I believe so.
Yeah. So like everybody was yeah. Everybody was impressed. Really talented. With Janet's help, we co-designed
That's true.
2 fans.
Very unique fan.
Yes, we killed it. And now we're gonna have dinner. Look at the food. Oh my god. Wow.
It's trippy.
Wow. It's amazing. Woohoo! That looks delicious. And the entire thing, Janet's gonna have. Heaven, literally heaven. इतनी तरह की कॉफी मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी है. ये 1 रो पूरी कॉफी है, ये भी 1 रो कॉफी है, ये भी 1 रो कॉफी है. बताओ इतनी कॉफी. ओह माय गॉड, इतनी सारी कॉफी. लिटरली ये जो स्टोर्स हैं मुझे इतने पसंद है क्योंकि यहाँ जितनी भी सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं वो सारी इतनी अच्छी लगती है. क्योंकि सब कोरियन स्नैक्स एंड कोरियन चिप्स, सारी चीज़ें इतनी टेस्टी होती हैं. आइसक्रीम एंड कॉफ़ी तो मैंने दिखाई इतनी सारी है. रामेन, तोक्बोकी, इतनी सारी चीज़ें मुझे लाइक हेवन. मतलब मैं जब भी ऐसे K-ड्रामा से मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें ट्राई करनी है. मैं यहाँ आती हूँ फिर मैं थोड़ी चीज़ें लेती हूँ और ट्राई करती हूँ. Yeah, I think it's a beauty spot, right?
Yeah, beauty spot.
Finally, होटल आ चुके हैं. And इतना मज़ा आया. I think सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया मुझे क्योंकि यहाँ मैं इतने लोगों को मिली जो 16 अलग अलग कंट्री से थे. And the best thing is that I got to know them and I got to meet them, know about their stories and their life and their culture. It was really interesting and I had a lot of fun. And अब तो ट्रिप शुरू हुई है, तो बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. So stay tuned. So guys, we are in this room in this hotel and I just got to know that this table, and you see how big it is. It is the biggest table in Korea and the most expensive. It was imported from China and it's about like something around $1 million. It's very, very expensive because it's real wood and you can see the texture. It's because it's imported. It's so cool. Oh, look at this.
Change your nationality.
I am global. I'm global.
Oh, thank you for coming.
Thank you so
Please
much.
often come to Korea, often.
Definitely. I love Korea. I love Korean people. I love the culture, the food. It's my 3rd time here. I'm gonna keep visiting often.
Thank you. From now on, so do I. So guys, हम यहाँ एक थीम पार्क में आए हैं और अभी हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. ये है यहाँ के चेयरमैन जो हमें सारी चीज़ें बता रहे हैं और हमें घुमा रहे हैं. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Yeah, 200 years old to talking about Korea from English guy, and then this is Aristoteles talking about Aristoteles, the philosopher, by the Italian professor. So this book is published in 1594. So more than 400 years old. Yeah, very, very old books. You see, are you from Ireland? Oh, yeah.
That's why I was looking closely.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, that's so old. 100 BC.
This is certificate of it. This is Egyptian. This is Greece. This Greece, Egyptian. Okay. But this is all about vehicles.
Wow.
Yeah, this the Lehman. This is we call Lamborghini. Oh, Rolls Royce.
Toys.
Yeah.